Welcome to the Ministry of Not Forgetting. Today we announce our first subject, Marianne Faithfull.
A career spanning 6 decades, over 30 albums, and yet to the world she's still just Mick Jagger's ex-girlfriend. Well, that.
I never saw myself as a pop singer,
You're split between...
who I really am,
Yeah.
what they wanted
Yeah.
me to be. I was very anarchic.
Creativity and memory are inseparable.
The thing that carries me through is the music.